Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita. Today I like to share my meatloaf recipe with you. So come on, cook with Tita. Let's go through our ingredients now. I have 5 pounds of ground beef. It's kinda a lot because I have a big family. Most people would cook 3 pounds, okay? Break it kinda like that, like so, okay? So that when you mix all of your ingredients with it, it won't be overworked, okay? So that's that, okay? So anyway, we have 8 ounces of baby Bella's mushroom, been chopped like that, kind of small dice like that. So let's put that in here now together. And our onion. Our onion is medium size, also diced. And I have 1 cup of Quaker oatmeal in here too, okay? 1 cup of sweet peas. I'm sneaking fiber and vegetable into my meatloaf. Now, if you have kids, you know what I'm talking about, right? That's the reason why I would say this is my version, okay? That's my version. And 1 cup of sweet corn, 1 cup of that, okay? Half a cup of diced celery, okay, like that. Half a cup of yellow bell pepper, like that, diced also. 1 bulb, if you know me, I always use 1 bulb of garlic. I also diced that, okay? So, like that, okay? I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, if you don't like black pepper, you can go ahead and just to taste. You can add more or you can add less, okay? That's 1 teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. Now, notice that we're not gonna add any salt here because the garlic salt is already salty and the chicken bouillon is already salty, okay? 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay, so put it on in here like that, like so. We're going to crack 4 eggs, okay, into this little bowl over here. 1 at a time, light beat, okay? Light beat your egg, just enough to combine the yolk and the white and put them in here. Now, the purpose of this is sometimes, you know, you run into a bad egg. You don't want to crack your egg right here, you know, directly to your ingredients. It might be bad. You see what I'm saying? So crack it over here first. You can easily throw the egg out rather than throw all of your ingredients, right? So right now I'm preheating my oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? The purpose of these eggs is to hold your meatloaf together, okay? All right, so there you go. When you work in your meatloaf, you don't want to overmix that, okay? So when you mix that, I mix my meatloaf with food gloves, which is this one. If you don't want to wear gloves, that's fine. You can do it with your hand, okay? So I go like this, just like that. Okay, kind of push so it won't get overworked, okay? Do this until all your ingredients are well mixed, okay? So let's flip that like that. Just enough so like I said, combine. Don't overwork the corn. Oh boy, let me tell you about the corn. The corn is really perfect for meatloaf for me. That's why my recipe it's different than others, because that's my version of meatloaf. This is my own recipe. I have a Pyrex over here, and I coat it with 1 teaspoon of oil. If you have just the bottom, okay, just the bottom, just to coat the bottom, okay. Now, if you have cooking spray, you can also do that. And then now, we're going to form a loaf. This is gonna be a big one. Like I said, you know, I have a big family, so I gotta cook the whole 5 pound of the meat. Shape your meatloaf like so. Now, looking at my dish right now, I might have to check, okay, during cooking, if the juice not overflowing. Okay, so let me tell you about that too. While you're baking, put a cookie sheet under the rack. Okay, so if that happens, that the juice would overflow, you won't have a mess to clean. Okay, it would be down there on your cookie dish. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? So, and also be sure that you have enough room between this, like that. Okay, be sure of that. Like I said, most people won't cook this much. This is 5 pounds plus ingredients, but if you do, this is what you have to do. Okay. Okay, I have here half a cup of ketchup. Now, this ketchup would go on the top of your meatloaf 30 minutes before you take the meatloaf out. Okay, so let's leave that over here and let's put this in the oven. All right, guys, this is done. Okay, so, oh, looks good. Smells so good. It smells so yummy. Let me turn this off. So it took 2 hours and 45 minutes because our meat, it's really big. Okay, and it's a lot. Most people would only cook, like I said, 3 pounds. It'll take probably 1 hour and a half. So anyhow, I almost forgot. You know, if you don't have a probe, all you gotta do is poke it inside, guys, like this on the side, like that. Okay, while it's cooking, okay. And the juice that comes out over here, if it's clear, okay, if it's clear, that would be done. But when you poke it, guys, it's you know, the meat, it's really nice in firm. Okay, nice and firm. Anyway, try my recipe. I guarantee you guys that you would like it. Oh my gosh, the aroma, it's so delightful. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video, guys. Okay, and I would like to thank everybody that supporting me. Okay, I hope you enjoy my recipe. I hope you like this. I know you would. And I'll see you again when you cook with Tita right here in my kitchen. As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.